Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to log out your Gmail account from Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to open our browser. So we're going to search for our browser right here and then open it right there. And then once you do that, what we're going to do is to type gmail.com and then click enter. After that, just make sure that you are logged in into your account right here. And then after that, just click your profile icon and then you will see this sign out. However, if you have a multiple accounts right there, just scroll down a bit and then you will see sign out on all accounts. So just click on that also. So once you click on sign out, you will be redirected into this part. Now, all you have to do is to just sign in again into your account and then that should be it. So as you can see, that is how easy it is.